Hello and a warm welcome to the Emailer 2018 training video. This training video is about installation and the initial settings of the Emailer. After you have downloaded the zip file from the Jung Solutions homepage, you can unzip it. Start setup.exe. The Emailer 2018 Setup Assistant opens. If you already have an Emailer installed, the Setup Assistant looks a little different. Leave the setting here on Repair Emailer 2018. The Setup Assistant only installs the program files on your PC in this case. All settings and of course your data and templates are kept. To be able to install and use the Emailer, you must read and agree to the software license agreement for the Emailer. The Setup Assistant closes the installation with the final notification: Installation complete. An item has been placed on the desktop. Before you can properly get going with the Emailer, you must first make a few settings, which can be found under the Settings button. With one simple click, decide what language you wish to use the Emailer in. If you would like to test the result of a configured email under real conditions, then send your created email template to the address stored here as a test. Do not create emails. This function will be explained later. If the tick box is selected, no emails are sent. This function is explained in video 4. Create a serial email and insert as PDF file to the serial email. The email accounts to be used for sending the emails are entered under Email Accounts. The Emailer offers two possibilities for this. The first possibility is to insert a chosen webmail to the Emailer. To do this, you must know the SMTP settings and the password of the email. The second possibility is to use an already existing email account configured in Outlook. To do this, Outlook must be open. We can see all the email accounts configured in Outlook in the drop-down list. After selecting an email address, you can also select whether you wish to send the emails in packages. That is necessary if, for example, your email provider only allows a limited quantity of emails to be sent in a given time interval. You can find this out from your email provider. Let's assume that only 50 emails per hour are allowed. Then you enter 50 and 60 here. The Emailer is left open in the background until all the emails have been processed. An email is sent to the selected email address with test. The acknowledgement made directly via the test button. The selected configuration is saved with save. For each additional email configuration, you must click New. Each previously selected configuration is saved with Save. The added configuration can be removed by clicking on the red cross. Webmail addresses can be added in the Webmail Register. Enter the access data of your email addresses. These configurations can also be tested. Save. And now we have added 3 email addresses from which we can send our emails with the Emailer. All the directories used by the Emailer are found in the menu item, Save Location. Each directory can be opened with Open Directory in the Windows File Explorer, and a new directory can be selected by clicking on the folder symbol. All configuration data is saved in the Emailer database. The email and PDF templates are saved as files in a folder. If the database path is altered, the Emailer creates a new empty database in this path. The Emailer also creates a new database using Create New Database. but without changing the assignment to the existing database. The destination of the empty database can be defined via a directory selection. This function is not normally required unless you wish to remove all the entered data in which you are using the empty database with little effort. In the Layout Files directory, there is an XML layout file in which the layout settings made by the user are saved. For the adjustments to the layout made by the user to be kept at the next startup of the emailer, they are saved in the XML layout file. Temporary files. The emailer creates temporary files while the program is running, and also deleted them again. Changes to the standard system setting are not normally necessary. Specify directory paths for the email templates, email, the template for the personalized PDF attachments, PDF attachment, and the send reports are located in an Excel file. Send report under user settings. These directories can be changed individually in every email job. The purchased license can be activated in the User License menu. Without this license, the emailer works in demo mode, which means that all functionalities are present, but only the first 5 datasets in an Excel file can be processed. In this video, you have seen how you can install the emailer on your PC and how you must undertake the first initial settings. You are now ready to create a first email job. In the next training video, you will find out how to set up and save a first email job and add an Excel file to the job to be able to access this data later.